Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the best WordPress mail SMTP plugin. Do you want to send email through SMTP in WordPress? Are you using WordPress directly to send emails, notifications, or authentications to your clients? Are you wondering why your emails got blocked? Are you surprised to hear from your clients that your emails are found in spam folder? Are you sick to have learned that your email notifications don't reach your client's inbox? Then you should watch this tutorial till end. Before I proceed, I would like to remind you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. First, let's understand why emails are likely to get blocked when sent directly through WordPress. Why WordPress email deliverability isn't reliable. The built-in configuration in WordPress uses PHP mail function to send emails, and most of the times the web hosting companies don't have their PHP email configurations properly set. This way, the emails that are sent are not properly optimized and authenticated. Hence, they get either blocked or spammed. Popular email services such as Gmail, Outlook Mail, and Yahoo Mail don't really entertain such emails. As a result, they are simply blocked or moved to the spam folder. Most of the popular email service providers expect the emails to be sent via SMTP, which is a standard protocol to send and receive emails. That means you would have to reconfigure WordPress email function to use standard SMTP protocol and use SMTP host credentials of your web host. Emails not delivered or blocked is a more annoying thing for those who are running e-commerce websites, because such websites need to send a lot of auto-responding emails such as user registration confirmation, email notifications, password verification, order confirmation, and more. So, what's the solution? The solution is pretty much simple. You will have to make WordPress reconfigure email function in order to use standard SMTP protocol. How would you do this? Again, the answer is simple. You would need a SMTP plugin to harness WordPress email system. So, which is the best SMTP plugin for WordPress? My sincere recommendation would be to use WP Mail SMTP plugin by WP Forms. With the free version of WP Mail SMTP plugin, you would be able to set up SMTP for smtp.com, Sendinblue SMTP, Mailgun SMTP, SendGrid SMTP, Gmail SMTP, and your web hosts SMTP. You may subscribe to WP Mail SMTP Pro for additional premium features such as Microsoft SMTP, Amazon ACS SMTP, and Zoho Mail SMTP. You also get white glove setup support with the premium version of WP Mail SMTP plugin. If you would like to subscribe to WP Mail SMTP Pro, you may do so from the link in the description below. Now let's jump to the practical portion of this tutorial. Let's see how to set up WordPress SMTP. Well, you can do this in 3 simple steps. First step, identify the mail server name and port of your web hosting service. Second step, creating a cPanel email. If you already have an email, you could use its credentials such as username and password. Step 3. Install WP Mail SMTP plugin, enter email server details and save the settings. Now let's see in detail. There are different ways to know the SMTP details, but I am going to show you how to get these information from your hosting cPanel. As my website is hosted in hostinger.in, I could show you how you could get these details from Hostinger's hPanel. Your cPanel should have similar options. Let's move on to the first step. Let's see how to find SMTP information in your hosting cPanel. Log into your Hostinger's hPanel, click on Hosting, then click on Manage button of any of your domains. Then scroll down and click on Email Accounts. Now you should be able to see your website's outgoing mail SMTP server details. Just note down the host name and the port number. Let's move on to the second step. Let's see how to create an email using your cPanel. If you have one already, you could use its credentials. As WP Mail SMTP plugin requires you to enter the email username and password, you should either enter the existing email credentials or create a new cPanel email and use its username and password credentials. So, to create an email account using your cPanel, follow these steps. From the Hostinger's hPanel, go to Email Accounts. In the Create a New Email Account section, type a name such as Support or Info or Help, etc. and enter a password. Now let's move on to the third and final step. Let's see how to install and configure WP Mail SMTP plugin. So to install the plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New, type WP SMTP in the search box, then click on Install Now, then click on Activate. Now let's see how to configure WP Mail SMTP WordPress plugin. From the dashboard, go to WP Mail SMTP and click on Settings. For the From email, type in the email ID name you just created in the previous step. In my case, I'll be using support@hbninfotech.com. Then check the option Force from Email. This option lets the email receiver know from which email ID the message was sent. The from name could be the company's name or your name. Then check the option Force from Name. Enabling this option will let the email receiver know who has sent the mail. You will also need to check the option Set Return Path to match the from email. Checking this option will send the bounced messages back to the email ID that is set in from email. Now select Other SMTP. Selecting this option will enable you to use your web host's SMTP servers. Then for the SMTP host, type the outgoing server name of your website host. For the encryption, select TLS as it is recommended. For the SMTP port, type the port number of your website host. Then turn on the authentication. Then for the SMTP username and SMTP password, type the email ID name and password credentials that you created in your cPanel in the previous step. Then click on Save Settings. Now that the WP SMTP configuration is done, let's do an email test. To check whether the configuration works, you could do an email test. To do that, go to email test section of WP Mail SMTP settings, type an email ID of yours in the Send To field, then click on Send Email button. Once you have clicked on Send Email button, you should receive an email confirmation inside your inbox. If you have gotten a confirmation email, that means you have done the settings perfectly. If you didn't, it means that you have probably messed with the settings. My final thoughts and conclusion. If you are using WordPress website to send emails, whether it be a notification or be it a password reset or an email confirmation, you need to have WP Mail SMTP plugin installed to ensure email deliverability. The free version of WP Mail SMTP plugin allows you to set up SMTP for smtp.com, Sendinblue SMTP, Mailgun SMTP, SendGrid SMTP, Gmail SMTP, and your web hosts SMTP. Subscribing to WP Mail SMTP Pro will get you access to additional premium features such as Microsoft SMTP, Amazon ACS SMTP, Zoho Mail SMTP, and most importantly, the white glove setup support. So, what are you waiting for? Just click on the link in the description below to subscribe WP Mail SMTP Pro now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for new tutorials.